When I'm looking at wet dry vacuums, I first off want something that's reliable, super easy to use, lightweight, something that all the members of my family can use. Our old Shop-Vac has lasted us for at least 15 years now, and so we are definitely ready for an upgrade. This was kindly sent to me, and I was so excited to try it out. As you can see right here, the hose is so nice and long. My vents were filthy. These are the ones in the kitchen, and it sucked it up no problem. And thanks to this long hose, 7 feet to be exact, we were able to put it so far down there and remove a bunch of the crumbs that had, built up over time. Honestly, I was planning on setting this up and using this in the garage, but with all these handy attachments, we just kept finding so many uses for them around the house. It just helped with deep cleaning so much. Everything from reaching under the couch to cleaning in the vents, windowsills, and with a 15-foot cord, we were easily able to get in around all the baseboards in the corners of our house. As for the setup, it was very easy. So you just need to screw a couple of the handle pieces on. You'll put the provided bag inside of the Shop-Vac and then the attachments all around here on the side. You will see this filter, and this one's specifically for the wet vac. It comes to either changing your bag or cleaning your filter. Really easy. You just lift this up. This filter can either be shaken off outside, or you can actually spray it off just to get it really clean, but just make sure you dry it for 24 hours before putting it back on. And then you'll see right here, that is going to be the provided bag. So, when that's filled up, you'll just need to order more of those bags. It was very easy to put in, and it's super lightweight. Vacuum is going to be perfectly silent, but this is definitely on the quieter side. Hopefully this gave you a great idea on what to expect. Honestly, we couldn't be happier with this.